Hi, I'm SrA Jy Martinez with the 414th MXS. I'm a F-15E crew chief. And today I'm going to read 10 playful penguins. 10 playful penguins living in the zoo. They've had their lunch and now they're off to find something to do. All but one who wants to stay. She knows just how to spend her day. 9 playful penguins. Look at who they meet. Elephants spraying with their trunks. What a special treat. Penguins stay and have some fun. Yes, please, says a happy one. 8 playful penguins spot a lively crowd. Some cheerful chimps chomping their lunch. This sound is oh so loud. Penguins stay and have some fun. Yes, please, says another one. 7 playful penguins find a bubbly bath. The hippos yawn and float along, which makes the penguins laugh. Penguins stay and have some fun. Yes, please, says another one. 6 playful penguins visit their friend bear. His silly game makes him dizzy, rolling from here to there. Penguins stay and have some fun. Yes, please, says another one. 5 playful penguins waddle by a tree. Their parrot friends sing a song. What a sight to see. Penguins stay and have some fun. Yes, please, says another one. 4 playful penguins running up the hill. The baby pandas wiggle around. They can never sit still. Penguins stay and have some fun. Yes, please, says another one. 3 playful penguins hanging by the pool. The shiny seals swoop up and splash. It's how they stay cool. Penguins stay and have some fun. Yes, please, says another one. 2 playful penguins find a stripy friend. He runs and leaps as the sun sets and day comes to an end. Penguins stay and have some fun. Yes, please, says another one. 1 little penguin chose to stay behind. She's been preparing quite a feast. She's so good and kind. My friends will not believe their eyes. They're sure going to get a big surprise. 10 playful penguins shout, hip hip hooray! Good friends, and lots of fun. Now that's a perfect day. Thank you for joining me this evening. I am SrA Jy Martinez, and we read 10 playful penguins.